Yo, Chet, we back. Okay, so I have not traded for a while. I mean, I have not posted a video for a while. I've been. How can I say this? I don't know what I've been doing, but I would not say I don't know what I've been doing, but like I've been not taking trading that seriously. Let's just say that. I mean, I've been doing it, but I would say I wasn't like looking on the chart every time like before market open until 5 p.m. my time, like Amsterdam time. So yeah, but today and yesterday I did. Yesterday I should have had like a couple more challenges, but I made a mistake to trade outside of my zone, and I really regret that. So let that be a lesson. So yeah, but okay, today before everything we were really chopping. Same with yesterday, we were really chopping. Yesterday I did really want to see shorts, but we did not get them because I don't know what happened. So what happened yesterday was the thing that I really want to see us doing today. That was like, let's say yesterday we had this open. We were trading lower in the 1 hour. Let me see, like right here. We got a good drop around 3 p.m. yesterday. Let me see what happened yesterday. I don't know what I was trading yesterday. So we go down, manipulate lower at these lows, and then we're like, oh yeah. So I was really anticipating us to go even lower because we are close to all-time highs. I can say that. We're really close to these all-time highs. I think there might be an SMT with. Is it an SMT with? Yeah, I think it is. Oh no, never mind, it is not. It's not SMT with ES, but let's just say I was really looking for shorts that day because, I mean, if I really look at my rules, I should not have traded at all because, see, we have Asia high right here, Asia low right there, London low right there. Yeah, so really, there wasn't really any trade for me, I would say, in there. Maybe market opens, we sweep this low, but we really just run through it, like not even giving us. I mean, if I did a 50-point stop loss, I maybe could have catched a 1-1 or a 1-2. I mean, no, not even. I'm probably trading that. Yeah. But okay, I'm getting sidetracked. I'm getting sidetracked. So today's trade, coming into the market, I was looking. I marked out my zone, so the Asia low, Asia high. I mean, Asia high did get taken, but I would just put this as Asia high or London high. You can just say this is Asia high and that is London high. But like, I really wanted to see us go higher because we had so many highs up in here that we could just take out. But it's the same with the lows. So, but realizing that, I want to see us go higher in market open because we took out Asia low pre-market open, pre-market. I mean like while London, during London. So I wanted to see us go higher while during New York. So I did take a trade of this, which I should not have done. I'm gonna be honest with that. I should not have taken a trade with this. It was a break-even trade, so yeah. But then after I shot the trade like out of revenge trading, I did not. I really don't know why I did that, but okay, it happened. So same thing with yesterday. Why am I trading? Why am I revenge trading? Why am I trading outside of my zones? I should really realize that every trade that I take that is not like calculated, it's just a losing trade. Why am I setting myself up for failure? It just does not make sense. But okay, beside everything, I should just start realizing that every trade that I take that is not calculated is a losing trade because I'm trading probabilities. Trading's all about probabilities. If I take trades that are not calculated, backtest, shown that it has probability to it, then I'm just taking a loss. I'm just taking a loss automatically. So yeah, this, I mean, it's kind of in my setup. It's Asia low. We take out Asia low. Expecting a sweep higher. I mean, expecting a reversal to happen, but maybe reverse to happen. So this could, but it's outside of my zone. So I should not really be taking that. I should be using this as a confluence to why we could go up out here. So so my analogy with this was we took out Asia low. Okay, we took out this illiquidity. Where are we heading? We could be heading towards here. Could go here and take out these highs, because we already took out Asia low. If we want to make the reversal and go higher, then this should be the time. So yeah, let me see what happens. Okay, not 15 minutes. I should do like 1 second. Wait, I can't. More 1 minute. Okay. Well, that kind of sucks that I cannot do that. Okay, I'm gonna just print 1 minute candles. So eventually we open. Market opens. I don't know if I can see. Market opens, we get the most violent drop. We get a really violent drop. So I'm thinking, what happens if we get a big violent drop? 9 out of 10 times we always make a pushback. Like we almost every time when we make a big violent drop, we will at least come back to like the midpoint and then go back down. If we were going to go back down. So I was just waiting. Price also didn't sweep the previous day low yet, so I was looking at the previous day low as well to get swept. So I was just waiting. Actually, I did take a trade out of this because I was like, bro, what? Yeah, and I was just hoping. But okay, we sweep through the previous day low on the 1 minute. 1 minute is kind of violent. Then another thing, we had this 30-minute fair value gap, and the 4-hour fair value gap is like on the same thing. That I also want to see us tap in yesterday, but we really tapped in like a little bit. Well, I want to see us tap the midpoint of it. So I'm also marked that out. And with those things, the sweep of the previous low and us coming to the midpoint, I just took the. Originally, I want to take it from here, but we were really violent with the drop. So then I just see if we went down to the midpoint. If we did, I would just take it from there. If not, if we just came back straight up from this, I would have taken it from here. But we came down here and I took the trade from there. Then I just entered off of that. If you look further, I think we made an inversion. So yeah, then we made this inversion right there. Actually, the inversion didn't really inverse yet. So then we started chopping a little bit. What could I have done is wait for this inversion and then trade it from here. This was also a possibility that I could have done instead of like trading right off this. But what I see is usually that it doesn't really make a big difference in like if it does hit or does not hit, because if I took it right off here, I would have already been up up 20 points instead of waiting for us to go here and then maybe go up. It would not like make sense for me to wait. Yeah, because it's not gonna be that big of a difference in the when I see that. So then I mark out places where I want to be going break even. So where I want to go break even, keeping in mind that this push, like this sweep failed and we are respecting bearish areas, I was a bit more conservative with my trading. So I was like taking the profits a bit earlier. So I took 50% off here. I went straight to break even. Also, keeping in mind that I took quite an L already, taking those two things in mind, I was like, okay, we're respecting bearish order flow, we're respecting all the bearishness, we're not sweeping any highs. According to that, we should be a bit more cautious with taking longs. So my full TP was already also at here. I tested like full TP, so break even right there. So let's see what happened. We inverse. We displaced really much. We displaced a lot higher. I went break even here, took off 50% right there, and then we just started popping. Also, I did see this this big inversion. I mean not inversion, but like big fair value gap. When we came in here, I threw my stop loss to like down here, because if we were in this big of a range, we could just go straight back down. So we with 1 point, we did not get tapped into there. Like, I put it right there, my stop loss. I don't know if I got lucky, but and then I'm pretty sure the trade just straight up went to TP. Yeah, it took the TP right on the. Oh, I can move this. So it took the TP like right on the dot. I think it does also go a bit above it. I think pretty sure it does go a bit above it. Yeah, so it took it right straight there, and then yeah, from there we dumped straight down. So yeah, this was the trade from today. So the reason why I took this trade is my model is basically reversal model. So I look at liquidity points. So we had previous day low, they got swept. That's one liquidity. We also had a big fair value gap underneath it, a big 30 minutes. So previous day low liquidity got swept. 30 minutes slash 4 hour bullish FVG. I think it's something. I think this midpoint is called something like encroachment or something. I'm gonna just call it midpoint. I think if you measure this thing, you'll be at equilibrium. Yeah, you'll be in a premium if you measure this. So, but I don't use Fibonacci, so this is not relevant for me, I guess. You could be using this, but we have also a discount for longs. Those three things, I mean, yeah, but I didn't use that. We basically, main reason is because we have a previous day low liquidity got swept. 30 minute plus 4 hour bullish 30 minute midpoint got reached. Big displacement on the right here. Big bearish NY displacement. New York open candle. Big bearish NY open candle displacement. This doesn't really matter. This doesn't really matter either. Previous daily low got swept. 30 minutes. Open displacement. High probability to retrace into huge bearish FVG that it left. TP at swing high, although bearish FVG could have been better point. Bearish PA. After reaching bearish FVG midpoint, failing SL to this internal low. I love my bros, touch them and it's over. Went from me to a man that's broke a L. Don't be a fucking donut. Break even slash 50%. Same high also to 50% because off. So 50% off here. Reason being that price is respecting bearish PA, so being extra cautious with the longs and what's already in DD. This can go. So yeah, this is basically why I took the trade. We have 30 minutes slash 4 hour bullish very gap right underneath the previous daily low. We came into the midpoint, took it right off there. If we did not get to the midpoint and we maybe like straight up and if we did not like get there and we're like bouncing off here, I would probably just set a wait with my entry right there. Probably put the stop loss. I would have kept it at 30 points. Wait with my entry if price is like making a possible pushback up. When it does, take the same trade. Would have taken the same trade, but would have been like a bit less RR. But overall, I'm happy with the trade. It fits in my trading model because we took out liquidity, looked underneath it for a possible better entry if you had something else to look for it. It was a reversal. Only thing that I I'm not happy about is the way I traded today. I traded pre-New York opening, pre-New York session, and I took a revenge trade after I lost that because I was just hoping price to make a possible bounce, which was not calculated. I did not look at why I would have taken that. It was just impulsive. Although this is like a way better reason, way better trade, because there's all kinds of things that could be backing it and showing that it could possibly be a winner. So yeah, a thing that I'm really struggling with is impulsiveness, me wanting to do a revenge trade, me wanting to win my losses back. Those are the couple things I'm really working on, and really just trading my model, which is reversal, and the thing that requires is at least a sweep of Asia low, previous day low, London low, previous day's high, Asia high, or London high. If those things do not happen, then I should not be trading at all. And if it does, and price already shooting up above there, I should also not be trading at all. So those are the things. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'm probably not going to be able to trade because I have an exam. I might look for a trade in London, but also that it could be like be countering the way what I was talking about today. But if there's a really nice setup in London showing a nice sweep of a liquidity point with a fair value gap underneath or above it supporting it, then I might just take it. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you if you watch this video. It's probably like also the thing that I just realized, I'm yapping about nonsense that I don't even know what I'm really talking about. Maybe it's because I haven't slept a bit, quite a lot, and my mind is a bit all over the place. So yeah, but I'm really working on becoming a better trader again. I'm seeing that if I look on social media and see other people doing good, I get this surge of urgency that I also need to be doing this. But I'm listening to a lot of podcasts saying that it's just you versus you. You shouldn't be looking at other people. So I'm cutting out all of the distractions. So I'm cutting off all of those distractions, deleting my Instagram, deleting the socials, so I don't get distracted by that. I'm gonna be also trading alone only, not looking at anyone else, just showing what I see. Because if I look at other people saying, "Oh, this happened," that might like influence the way I'm be looking at the market. But you could argue that it may help you, which is more a burden for me because I get influenced quite easily. And if some people say to me, "Yo, this is happening," and then I'm like, "Oh wait, I forgot that," and then I start doubting everything, and then yeah. But for now, I'm just really trying to get more disciplined. I'm probably just gonna be taking 1 to 2 trades a day with 250 risk, because 250 risk is pretty good already. I got this account with this to win today at gameplay trading panel. Oh, I can't show. Wait, if I edit this, let me make a screenshot of this first. Boom, boom, boom. Exit trading. After that, we just started dumping straight out. We just started dumping. Remove all of this. Doesn't really matter anymore. Trading panel. Trade rate. So after that, I got to a nice profit, but yeah. So if I should be taking only 250 risk or 240 around that, looking for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, and that should already be way more than enough for me to pass this account, and also be less enough for me to not tweak out about the loss, because 250, if I lose 2 times, that's 500 on the day. That's like, I could deal with that loss. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the game plan for the coming days. 250 or 240 around that per per trade. If I put it in perspective, how much can I risk on like a 50 point? How much can I risk on here? Let's create this. Can I do this? No. So if I were to use 250, it would be like just using. What is? How much risk is this? 240, yes, like free. I think it's 30 points. I think if it's 30 points, it's like around 4, yeah. So yeah, I might just be using 3 to 4 to 5 minis. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I might be making a video tomorrow if I do take a trade. If I don't, there will be no video tomorrow, but Friday I will be making a video. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll be uploading daily again. I'll be uploading when I do take trades. I might just recap tomorrow, like what I could have taken with this replay mode. But okay, thank you guys for watching. This video is gonna be uploaded. It was quite a long video. Thank you.